In this video tutorial, you can learn how to set up dual WhatsApp on your smartphone with dual SIM. Here on my smartphone, I have my first WhatsApp installed and been using it for some time. To set up dual WhatsApp or the second WhatsApp, we need to click the settings icon on our smartphone. Next, we need to click Apps tab to go to the Apps section, as you can see on my phone screen. Next, again we need to click the Dual Apps tab to go to the App section, and here we can click and activate Dual WhatsApp on our phone. And you can see the notification pop up, a new WhatsApp icon has been added to our phone. Next, let's go to the Dual WhatsApp icon. Here, every dual or second app will have this lock on it to signify it's the second app. Next, we need to click on it and complete all the formalities of setting up a regular WhatsApp on our smartphone. Enter the dual SIM number that's on a smartphone, verifying the phone number along with adding the profile name and all other settings. We can test the messaging from one app to the other to verify it's working. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.